Well, that's the tree he was in. That's where he landed. That's where he went. You ruined it. I just heard talking. Oh, yeah. What you say, Skippy? Yes or no? No. He don't know. Try to get him to gobble. Oh. Shoot him. Shoot him. I believe him. Shoot him. Got him. I just said sorry, but give me sneaker. Oh, Phil. How about it? So we were driving around, came up here to the Black Hills. Had one roosted early this morning. Didn't work out. So we left, went to McDonald's. Got some good old breakfast. Can't miss that.
Came out here and we were driving through and we're like, yeah, let's stop. Well, previously we were using our box and slate calls. We're like, now we're gonna cut a bunch of our mouth calls. We're parked probably 500 yards away. We just cut a bunch, heard him gobble, cut a bunch again, see if he was interested. Then we're like, yeah. So we hightailed it down here. We set up back here against that big tree. That little tree put the decoy out in front of us. We were calling and calling. Every time he'd gobble, we'd wait a little bit and then call. And then he gobbled close, and I looked, and I saw him. There's this little tiny creek bed that walks up with a drop-off. And I saw him over there walking around, and then he came this way. Well, then another guy was calling. We heard him gobble. Well, he didn't sound this close. Must have been on the brush right here. And then Brian's like, oh, there he is, there he is. Well, I pulled up when he was behind this tree so he didn't see me. And then he popped out, saw the decoy, and flopped him right here. Probably like 40 or 50 yards. Probably 40.
Held off to step it off.
But yeah, made sure he was dead. That's what the double tap was for. Because I saw him still alive, didn't want him getting away. Double tap, be sure. Hell yeah!
Wow. Craziest thing. He just shot his turkey. We here found out the tag. I look up and there's a freaking coyote. Freaking coyote come. It was man, that's probably a 40-pound coyote. It's a pretty good sized coyote. I flung light at it twice. I had no idea we were even here. At the last second it saw me. I don't know, I shot twice with a shotgun.
I saw a bunch of scurrying around the brush too.
See if I got him out, would have been freaking sweet.
That'd be amazing.
Found a shed, got a turkey, shot a freaking coyote. We're gonna see if we got him.
Grab my gun and bring it. I'll take video. It's got one shell on it.